So we're going to go over how to create placement graphics for featured brands. So first you're going to go in and you're going to start your timer in Teamwork. Then you're going to go to Teammates. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to Content Placements. Then you're going to go under the default report and you're going to click Reports and Charts. Then you're going to go to Graphics, Screenshots. Once you're there, you're going to see a list of different articles like so, and you're going to want to look in the featured brands list and see where there's a featured brand. So if you see ones with none but they have the content link, you don't want that. You want the ones that has the featured brands. So what you're going to do once you see one like this is Foco and they have a content link but this TB branded graphic is open, you're going to go to Edit. You're going to copy this, paste it into Google, and then what I like to do is I like to send it to myself on my Mac, and then I like to go on my phone and I will screenshot it so that it's the format for an Instagram story. And then you're going to go to Canva. You're going to select your Instagram story, and then you're going to input one of the TB branded Instagram story templates. Then once you have it, you'll see I already screenshotted them. You're going to drag them from your text message into the upload section of Canva. And then you're going to start to create the graphic. So what I like to do is I like to just play around with it a little bit and see what looks best. So for this, go like this. I usually put the title of the article in the top left corner. Make sure when you're screenshotting it, you're getting the article, who's featured in the article name, and then this little title of what the article is about. So you just want to make sure everything is centered and everything looks good and everything is cropped correctly. You want to make sure nothing goes out of the lines. You don't want this to go below this line. You want to make sure it's all centered and even, and you can go back and tweak it so that it looks the way that you want it to look. And then when you go to name it, you want to name it the name of the article, which is the Adult Man, which they're featured in, the brand that's featured, which is Foco, and then you want to put Instagram story. Then you're going to click download. It's going to show up at the bottom here, and then you're going to want to go log in to the affiliate placements drive folder. As you can see, all of our branded logo, all of our brands are here, and then you're going to click on the brand that you just created the graphic for, which is Foco. And then you're going to drag this into here. Click on it, go to the three dots in the top right corner, click share, copy link. You're going to go back to Teammates, add it to the TB branded graphic, save and close. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know.